Hello, welcome to the tutorial of how to upload your avatar to Wonder Dynamics. First of all, we have to upload our avatar to Blender. Once we are here, we have to export the avatar like an object, like this. Export it. Then we have to go to Mixamo, and we just upload our avatar, our object avatar. In this process, we will get the avatar rigged with Mixamo bones. That is the thing that we are looking for. So we just click here, we put the stuff where it belongs, and here. So this is going to load your avatar and prepare your avatar rigged. I have it here, so I'm just going to download it. So we download the avatar and we go back here. We are going to move the original avatar, and we are going to export a FBX of the avatar that we just created. We need to scale it up to 1. And now what we have to do is copy the materials from this avatar to this one. How are we going to do it? Okay, so we press the material that doesn't have the texture, for example this one, and then the one that we want to copy the texture, holding shift. Then we press Ctrl L and we select materials. Okay, now we can see that we have the same body with the same textures rigged, and this one is not rigged, so we have to delete it. Okay, we delete it, and we have to move this avatar to the center, so we click here and we put 0. As we can see, the avatar is not very well positioned, so we have to select everything pressing A, then we press G plus zeta, so we can move it on the X zeta, and we put it well. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, perfect. Then we have to do again, we press A and Ctrl A, we click on location, rotation and scale, so our avatar has everything on 0 and the scale is at 1. Then we have to change the name of this folder. This is mega important. Also we add to the armature name the word body. This word we have to paste it on the armature, and then as we can see, the Mixamo rig give us a rig with this name, Mixamo rig, 2 points, and the name of the bone. We have to delete this. How? We press on the armature, we press tab to open edit mode, we again press A to select all the bones, we go to edit, batch rename, we select bones, and we write here Mixamo rig 2 points. As we don't want to replace for anything, we just want to delete it, we keep this field in blank. Yes. As we can see, we have deleted the Mixamo 2 points and the name of the bones, and now it's just the name of the bones. Now we press tab to exit edit mode, and now we have to save the file. I'm going to save it here. I'm going to call it Wonder Parallelo, and we save it. Now what we have to do is go to file, we have to clean the unused data and clean the recursive unused data, and then we have to pack resources and unpack it, where we have to click here, write files to current directory. When we have do this, what we have done is now we have created on the folder that we have selected a folder called texture. Now we have all the textures here. We are going to rename it, all of them. Okay, first of all, before starting changing the names, we have to rename all these parts. Okay, first of all, we have to select the face, just the face, and call it the head face, like this. Once we have like this, we have to put here, for example, the name of how we have called it, class mat. We just had it. This one is done. Okay, so we just hide it, and here we have to rename this. How? Well, this is called head face. Okay, plus slash text div. Head face text and head face text norm. So we go here, we click on shading, and we have to change this. Okay, what I'm going to do is create a new folder, and I'm going to call wonder textures, and let's add the texture down here. Okay, so we have to click here, we go to wonder texture, we press this one, and we press the norm, then we click on non-color. We do this with all the things. Okay, after do this, we just hide it. We have to do this with all the materials. Okay, so next one, for example, are going to be the eyes. I'm going to call it mesh 1. Here the eyes has something special, that is they are two, but if you click on the eye left, there is no material, so we can just delete the eye right. And now we go here, rename mesh 1 text div, we move it here. Now that we are here, we have this is no, this is the normal, non-color, emissive we keep the color, this is the roughness, here we click on color, and with this one we keep the color. Okay, once it's everything done, we just, like we said, hide it, pressing H. The mouth, we are not going to need it, so we just can delete it. Okay, now we have done everything. In this case, as I am using a VOLTZ avatar and it's a custom avatar, I'm going to create a material for these colors. So after everything, we have the avatar here, and it should looks like this. All the meshes has to be named like this. You cannot put numbers because maybe it goes wrong, so you have to put like the name of the number. Each mesh has to have the material called like this, like the name plus the /mat. This is needed. Also, you have to check that everything it's okay. Every mesh it's inside the armature body, and the armature has to be named like this. Also, the head has to be named like this. I know that I'm being repeated a lot, but this is mega important because I have tried a lot of times, and sometimes I forget any of this name, or I'm wrong in any letter or something, and it's not going to work. So check it out. All this stuff, all this armature has to be inside this folder called character, without capital letters, just character. The last thing that we have to check is that every mesh it's in shade smooth or shade flat, not shade auto smooth, because same it goes wrong. So as everything, we click on shade smooth on everything, and we hide it to know which part we have smoother. Well, this one not okay. Yes, this one too, and yes. Okay, now we have everything done, everything is correct, everything is on its side. Perfect. Now what we have to do is go to the example character, press A, Control C, and we go back, Control B. As we can see, my avatar is so high, so I have just to scale it down like this. Okay, so it fits with the avatar character height. Now I have to press A, Control A, and I press on location, rotation, and scale. So everything is on 0 and the scale is on 1. Okay, now that I have done this, I have to delete I have to clean it. So I click here. Oh, sorry. I click the unused data blocks and the recursive unused data blocks. Okay, once everything is finished, we are ready. So we just have to save this. I'm going to delete. Well, I'm going to put here for any case. Perfect. And now what we have to do is just go to Wonder Dynamic page, go to My Assets, and click on Upload. We call it this. I'm going to call it Bialelo Clone. Perfect. And now the only thing that we have to do is we have to upload the file, the blend file, plus the texture folder, everything, and we click on upload. We just wait, it's loading. When it's everything, we just have to click on validate like this, and now we just have to wait. We have here the app is validating the avatar that everything is correct. If we have missed something here, it's going to show an error, so be sure that it's everything okay. If everything is correct, what you are going to see is this, ready to use, creating preview. This means that the avatar was good, everything is perfect, and now you are ready to use it. As you can see, we can see here our avatar. that now works perfect. So we can go here, home, I don't know, this one we can use in project. And now what we have to do is just add the video that we want. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on show the actor. It detects where the actor is, and just drag and drop the avatar. Then click on next and start processing. And that's all. All you need is drag and drop.